Here I have Huawei Honor 20i, and today I'm going to show you how to clear browsing data on this device. So firstly, you have to open your browser, which you normally use, then tap here, go to the history, then tap clear browsing data. Then you have to select the time range for which you want to delete your history. It could be last hour, last week, last month, or the beginning of time. Then you have to select the data formats which you want to clear. It could be browsing history, cookies inside data, cached images and files, and then just tap clear data, and after that history will be cleared. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.